This is the Tower B elevator. This got modernized actually. I think it's coming, but let's see. Okay, I think I stopped it. This one has a weird door configuration. I'm gonna see if I get a chance to show it. Yeah, this is Tower B. This used to have, this got modernized? If this is the one I'm thinking of, then this got modernized somehow. Used to have monitor TR. Now it's got innovation. Ah, here it is. Obviously, there's going to be an operator, so I'll just ask for the 100 seats. We're going to go down. There's the directory. Oh, wow. You got to stick it modernized. The 100 seats?
100? Yeah.
Yep.
Sixth floor.
Thank you. That's strange. Alright, that's it.